Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Music glorifying gun violence took the spotlight in the Senate on Friday as the debate on the anti-gang legislation continued. It came up as one opposition senator responded to comments last week about his position on violent music. Herman Green reports.
The amendments to the Criminal Justice Suppression of Criminal Organizations Act, also known as the anti-gang legislation, seeks to strengthen the legislation to curb crime perpetrated mainly by gangs. However, it was a recent comment from the Prime Minister calling for entertainers to refrain from putting out violent music that took the spotlight in the Senate on Friday. The issue was raised last week, with Government Senator Charles Sinclair questioning Opposition Senator Damian Crawford's stance on violent music and crime. This week, Senator Crawford questioned the Prime Minister's position as he pointed to violent dancehall songs redone as political dubplates in the 2020 general election.
This is one of the lyrics. Who gassed them up? From them this the done, them have a dead man. You know the thing go?
Mr. Crawford suggests that the Prime Minister's words and actions are hypocritical.
When there was a multiplicity of artists to choose from, including the one mentioned by Senator Sinclair, including many others who are straight, cultural and positive and conscious. The choice was made to take someone who said the exact things that the Prime Minister suggests we should be against.
But government senators blasted his suggestion and questioned his line of argument.
The Prime Minister has always indicated his support for dancehall and the creativity in dancehall, while indicating that it is a problem where violence is promoted by that type of music, or by any type of music, as a matter of fact. There's no hypocrisy in the Prime Minister's position, nor did the Prime Minister use any violent language in his dub plates.
Is the real issue the choice of music for an election campaign, or is it that lyrics that were read earlier can influence the mind's values and actions?
It is inconclusive for you to come to the fact that there is no correlation between the contents of the lyrics and the violent behavior. Because you're the same one who is here going on so emotionally responsive to the lyrics.
Among other things, the bill seeks to widen the chargeable offenses under the Act, allow special factors to be used as evidence independently, and make recruiting a child to a gang an offense. Despite the heated debate on lyrical content, the bill was passed with no amendment. Herman Green, TVJ News.